Today we'll talk about how can you enable rewards notifications on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. Just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here, just come to rewards, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as mail rewards notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.